Look at this abomination! Living human skin attached to humanoid robots could one day help them emote and communicate in a better, more lifelike way, and maybe even help train plastic surgeons. The self-healing living tissue is a mix of human skin cells placed on a 3D printed resin base, and contains the equivalent of ligaments made of tiny ropes of collagen and elastane, giving it flexibility and strength. The abomination may also be useful for research into skin aging and cosmetics, as well as permanently entering my nightmares. It's time to make cancer cells glow. A fluorescent dye dubbed a second pair of eyes, developed by scientists and surgeons at the University of Oxford, is helping surgeons spot cancer cells previously missed by the naked eye. The dye sticks to prostate cancer cells, allowing surgeons to not only see more precisely where the cancer is and get more of it out, but also see if it's spread. This technique also allows them to avoid taking unnecessary healthy tissue and causing lifelong post-surgery side effects. So I say, glow, get 'em. This is the latest science news. This is Mind Blow. So, elephants might have names for each other. An analysis of over 600 African savanna elephant vocalizations suggests they give each other names, making them the only other animal besides humans to do so. The analysis found some of their calls contained small name-like components specific to certain elephants that they not only recognized but replied to. The individual elephants that knew their names also responded more strongly to their names when recordings were played over a speaker. No word yet on which one is Dumbo. Algae Microrobots could be used to attack tumors. Microrobots developed at the University of California, San Diego are capable of swimming through lungs to deliver cancer-fighting medication directly to metastatic tumors. Tiny biodegradable polymer spheres made up the nanoparticles, which are then coated in red blood cell membranes to protect them from the immune system and allow them to stay in the lungs long enough to deliver the life-saving drugs. The drug-filled nanoparticles were chemically attached to the surface of green algae cells, which provided the microrobots with their movement. It won't be available in clinics anytime soon, but I like thinking of a future where lives are saved by algae microbots. We've got a new robot Rubik's Cube record. Mitsubishi's TokuFast bot solved the cube in 0.305 seconds, beating the previous record of 0.38 seconds, which was achieved by another Mitsubishi bot. The TokuFast bot is actually usually used to build motors, but Senior General Manager Yuji Yoshimura says they wanted to demonstrate our technical capabilities in achieving high-speed, high-precision windings, which are key to increasing the productivity and efficiency of motors used in many of our products. And it beat my personal Rubik's Cube record of never. This new dinosaur looks like an Elden Ring boss. Identified and named by Colorado State University as Lokiceratops rangiformis, translating roughly to Loki's horned face that looks like a caribou. The new dino's home is in Denmark and features curving blade-like horns on the back of its frill and asymmetrical horns at the peak of the frill. Both location and looks played a part in the naming, with Professor Mark Lowen saying, "We went with the Norse god, and in the end, doesn't it really look like Loki with the curving blades? I don't know, but it just one-shot my level 190 character in the DLC." Researchers are beating the crap out of this robot. Unitree Robotics has been kicking, beating, and even throwing their robots while they're in different positions in reinforced learning. These daily training techniques help the robots learn how to recover to extreme situations and conditions. They do, however, warn against trying this at home. Hopefully, future robots don't find this video and seek revenge. Okay, this robot might seek revenge. Fourier developed a huge leap in perception technology for their humanoid robot, the GR1. Integrating a camera-based pure vision solution that includes bird's eye view, occupancy network, and transformer models, they're innovating the cutting-edge GR1 as the first humanoid robot to adopt this advanced visual perception. Fourier provided a complete 360-degree view for GR1 by positioning 6 RGB cameras around it. This enabled the humanoid robot to sense its environment from every angle and generate bird's eye view images for accurate identification and tracking. Environmental perception helps robots in the real world make informed decisions through data analysis and eventually punish humans for hitting them with bats. And now for a bizarre Canadian PSA about not losing limbs from 1984. MindBlow is a Patreon-supported program. Thanks to all my patrons. Please join us for $2 right now.
I am Astar, a robot. I can put my arm back on. You can't, so play safe.